Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
My fans on TV, it's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 0, MCA 0. I'm joined by Mr. Chochi.
Steve Compella Peter Musimane once said,
Hey, stop him! Stop him, man! Stop him! I'm sorry! Beat him!
These North Africans, they always want to bully us.
We go to Loftus, they bully us. We go to Butamagaba, they bully us. We go to Stellenbosch, they bully us. We come to Orlando, they want to bully us. No. We lost in Butamagaba, Skukudi lost. We didn't bully them. They always want to bully us. We go to Morocco, we lose. We didn't bully them. They always want to bully us. No. It's about time they accept. If they bully us, we're going to get it back. So, Ashaya, it's about time they learn these things, Tibo. It's about time. They must respect us. With South Africa, we are coming. It's time for South Africa. They must respect us. These North Africans, they want to bully us always. They want to bully us. No. But anyways, it's just Pito. But my message to Pito, their time is over. Our time is up. John Cena once said, their time is over. Our time is up, Steve. Kina South Africa, Steve. You gotta be proud to be South African at this point, Steve. We have 3 teams that are in the semi-final of Champions League, doing very well continentally, Steve. We got Bafana that has a medal from AFCON that is doing exceptionally very well. We got Bafana that is going to FIFA Club World Cup, like it or not. We got Bafana that is doing very well also even in AFCON, Steve. Also, we have our under 17 that are also doing very well to AFCON, Steve. You gotta be proud to be South African at this point, Steve. You gotta be proud, Steve. It's amazing to see such teams doing very well. But one thing we are not gonna tolerate, and we're supporting them. But there's one thing you're not going to tolerate. What happened yesterday, we're not going to tolerate it. Yes!
What happened today of the fans getting into the stadium, we are not going to tolerate it. The behavior of the ball boys today, we are not going to tolerate it.
Yes.
We don't want to be at the end of the day when we win labeled names of corrupt nation. We don't want to be labeled names. So we don't want to win it corruptly. So we don't want to win it in the offices via the books or anything.
Yes.
We just want to win it failing.
Yeah.
That's why we're going to be harsh to our teams when there's roping. That's why we're going to be harsh to our teams when things they do very well. It's not like we hate them or we jealous them. We are just being honest with the truth. And if you hate it, we don't care who says what. Because we are fighting no one, but trying to fix African football, South African football, Steve. We are not going to tolerate nonsense. That's one thing for sure. But we're going to support them. But we're not going to tolerate nonsense. We want to win it fail. Imagine right now, imagine when Nigeria still win Nyash Republic of Republic of South Africa, Steve. Imagine. We don't want those kind of things, Steve.
Yeah.
We just want to win it fairly, Steve.
That's right.
But Orlando Pirates, Steve. One thing, let me just say this thing. We are witnessing the last days of Jose Rivero. I was so heartbroken hearing his interview today saying his life will never be the same after Orlando Pirates. But one thing I said to coach, you have given us Relebile Mofokeng, you have given us Nkota, you have given us Umbogazi, you have given us Talent Mbata, you have given us the prime of Tito Maswanganyi, the prime of Tien Hotu. You believed in Mahopa when nobody did. You believed in Koki when nobody did. You believed in CBC when nobody did, Steve. You believed in Abu Mabasa, Abu Makaola when nobody did, Steve. Look at what he's giving to the nation, contributing to Bafana doing very well. I don't say it as a Skukuni fan or a Pirates fan or anything, Steve. I'm just saying it as a South African, Steve. He has given our players an opportunity. Fuck man, he must just go. He said, if you wanna go, fuck man, atamae, retamkapa kwa airport, Steve. Also, sometime we are tired of him, because we know man. No. But anyways, compliment to Orlando Pirates, Steve. Today, Madala, some formation which is 5-2-3, Steve. Kumura, Torres and Bekche 3, Steve. Obana Tapelo Koki CBC and Umbogazi, Steve. TLB, what can you say about the young man? If you want the real jersey number high, if you want the real age high, look at the back, Steve. 44 years old. Are there a lot of resource Tibo? Obana about DN Hoto, also DN Hoto and Van Rooyen playing as a wing back, always helping go forward. First half never no too much copy Tibo, helping the team in terms of attacking and everything. But Baba now things are tough. The North Africans are coming, Tibo. Batuma Baitang, Batuma about defenders, Tibo, when they went back, Tibo. Moharu Kumana Macau, Laltar and Jambata, Tibo. Now, Tibo, I don't care who says what, and I'm saying this to Orlando Pirates fans. But let's give Macau what he deserves, Tibo. A old man playing like a young man. I always say this is the young man in the squad right now. Mufuke is not young. Macau is the young man in the squad, playing like a young man, Tibo, putting his body on the risk for Orlando Pirates. Now I don't care who says what. This season, if Macau in the league doesn't get the nominee of the midfield of the season or doesn't win the midfield of the season, Tibo, I will label PSL as corrupt, Tibo. Macau really deserves it. The man has done very well, Tibo. Like how much age he just plays like a young man, Tibo. Our age is just a number, Tibo. Actually, the yellow card and everything, doing very well. Past the high, Tibo, adding up to good defense, Tibo. How about the Bologo Peluto pass? Talendam Bata today, Amatalanda Wafani. He gave his game today. Last game, Kiwana Satala Sharp against Polokwane City, Tibo. He didn't give his A game, Tibo. I think maybe it was because of fatigue. But today he gave a wonderful performance. Kopi, the young ones, Nkota and really Mufuking, doing wonders, Tibo. But Nkota sometimes in Lena, sometimes doing just normal things like some narrow program. Because there are many chances that he could have converted. Even the last game, he didn't convert. But anyways, we're just happy South African to see the team doing very well. This team, Yabona MC Alga, really nonsensical MC Alga, Tibo. Floppy they were applying the pressure. Some Orlando Pirates in terms of pole position, they were not to be seen, but technically, they were disciplined, Tibo. So the problem here, they were just Batsara bolo, Tibo. They just wanna counter attack always. So they were nowhere to be seen. But unfortunately, they didn't mark Dean Van Rooyen and Hoto, Tibo. But anyways, congratulations to Orlando Pirates, Bafetu, they made it, and this time it's coming home, Tibo. No, I don't care whether it is Agamang, whether it's Sundowns, whether it's what. As long as it is coming home, Tibo, we are happy as South Africans, Tibo, and proud as South Africans, Tibo. But VAR. And about VAR today, there was a time by Timmy, like 85 minutes by team. By Timmy, I don't know who, but they did it. But anyways, it's Tibo. Yeah, but there are many things we don't tolerate them, Steve. We just want to wait fairly. But if rapper, please say it. They want to bully us, we're going to bully them in a different manner. Our time has arrived, Steve.
Man of the match.
Makaula. Makaula. Lea Lazy Bola. Lea Lazy. Hortman is straight. Lazy Bola. Give him the man of the match, Steve. Lazy.
Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Oh, yeah.